Delicious foods require more than just fresh ingredients. It is a blend of temperature control, cooking techniques, passion, and ultimately the joys of sharing a meal around the table. Sawadee welcome to Pakinnaka, Thai cooking school in Khao Lak. My name is Wandee Rathanapan. I was born into a family of chefs. My grandmother and my mother were chefs who ran a small restaurant in a village in Nakhon Si Thammarat province. I started helping my mother prepare and sell food when I was just 7 years old, riding my bicycle from house to house delivering meals. Through this early experience, I gained a deep cooking skill of Southern Thai cuisine. At 18, I moved to Bangkok to pursue a degree in journalism. After graduating, I became a writer covering food and culture. My passion for food only grew stronger through years of interview chefs, writing about cuisine, tasting, and critiquing dishes from all over. Eventually, I decided to travel to New Zealand to work in Thai restaurants and explore opportunities for opening my own place. During a job transition, I stayed at hostel in Phuket, a destination where backpackers from around the world come to harvest kiwi fruit. One day, I bought a whole chicken and began chopping it to prepare green curry. The aroma of my curry caught the attention of many travelers. They approached me curious about the dish and my story. I shared the food with them and soon many asked if they could learn to cook with me. That beautiful moment inspired me and planted the seeds for opening my own Thai cooking school. After years of traveling and working in Thai kitchens across different countries, I finally returned home and decided to renovate my house, opening up parts of it to create an open-air cooking space. Today, my house welcomes food lovers from around the world. Deep dive into Thai culinary culture, giving them the skills and confidence to recreate this dish at home. Each experience begins with a visit to the local market, discovering fresh ingredients, learning about their flavors, and selecting them by hand. Our class set in an open-air garden kitchen. The key of my master class is turning the ordinary to cook like a pro. Teach authentic recipe. You will learn how to make curry paste from scratch, homemade sauce, cooking technique, unlock secret of wok cooking. We support the community by using fresh products from the farmer and the market. More than 10 years as a culinary teacher and Thai chef, as well as a cook instructor for 2 finalists of the World Cook Season 2 on Amazon Prime series. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to join our cooking class to master your dish as a professional and capture the cooking memory and inspire the sense of gastronomy.